So you can see out of these three, this has been awarded. This quotation has been awarded. So we can go to this quotation, go into the manage supplier quotations. Go into the follow-on document, create purchase order. Okay, so this is the net order price is $30. And all of the detail is there. The vendor is there. We can also check more details into the line items. Text items are there. I'm going into the purchase order line item details. Confirmation control. I just want to make sure the confirmation control is blank. That is okay. Click on apply. And now order. So 4818 order has been created. This purchase order has been created. Okay. So we started with purchase requisition. We submitted an RFQ, then the quotations, then the comparison, then the award, and then we came to the PO level. Then we came to the PO level. So that much we have done. So if you go into the line item, you can go to the process flow. Now process flow shows from the purchase requisition. It does not show in between part of the quotation. Let me check if it shows from here. Requisition item. Yeah, it shows. This was a purchase requisition. This was the request for quotation. This was a supplier quotation. And against that, purchase order has been created. That full flow right now it is showing to us. So from here itself, we can go into the postcode receipt for purchasing document. Story location, you need to select it here. Now, this is a good thing. You can see here, system is proposing that which story location you should go. System is showing different story location and the stock available in these different story locations. So these two story location as a stock, how much of unrestricted stock, quality stock, block stock is available. System is showing to you so that you can take your decision quicker to select your story location. Now with the F4 help, not only the story location, but the stock with the graphics. Not only the story location, but the stock with the graphics. That is the power of Fiori. That is the intelligence of Fiori, which we don't have in GUI. In the MIGO screen, if you go, MIGO screen, if you go, in the MIGO screen, you will only be getting it. F4 help, you can select your story location, but from the same place, First thing, it shows so many story location unnecessarily. Here it is showing you only the story location which is belong to your plant. For those story locations, the stocks and the graphical analysis also, so that you can make your call. So you can select it from here, the story location, and then you can click on the post. Okay, so plant is there, story location is there. You can click on the post. Material document has been generated. You can click on the material document. This shows you that what goods movement has been posted. Now, the good thing is that if you want to reverse this document, the quick link is available here itself. You can click it here and you can reverse the document from here itself. Okay, you can click it here and you can reverse. Many times user come, okay, MIGO, I am seeing it, but from where I need to cancel it? I need to go cancel document, then give the document number, and then to cancel it here. It's quite simplified. You are into the material document, you are seeing it. If you want to reverse, a quick button has been given to reverse the document. That shows you purchase document, material document, and the accounting document number also. To see the accounting document number also, you need to click on the documents in the MIGO screen and go to the accounting document number. Here in the process flow shape, it shows you the accounting document. If you want to show the general entries, if you want to see the T accounting view of the general entries for this accounting, that also you would be able to see it. Okay, so this is how the T accounting views, credit debit views, you would be able to select it and see it from here. Okay, so the look and feel is good. User experience has been enriched. So this is the key difference between doing a MIGO transaction and posting a GR through the Fiori. Posting a GR through the Fiori.